Hello everyone. Now I am coming live to make this announcement that if you want to revise your AFM in a short span of 10 hours, then you should install my app where I have created a specific batch with the name of AFM Success Series. What do I do in this batch? I have covered all the chapters conceptually. Okay, in one hour, I have revised the entire chapter conceptually so that in a short span of 10 hours, you can revise the entire content. And another advantage what you get is along with that, I have uploaded short PDF notes. So when you do these PDF notes, in that I have given you the formula name, the formula logic, and the concept name. So with this, in just 1 or 2 pages, every chapter is fully summarized. So this will help you to gear up your preparations for the exam and you will be able to score very good marks in the upcoming exam. Now, how do you do this? You will have to install my app. So when you visit my app, you just have to search for AFM Success or you have to enter a batch code which my team can help you. The batch code is AFM Success. The moment you go inside this, you click on videos, you will have videos over here. So let's say, for example, if this video, the moment you click, the entire concept of security analysis will come in a short span of 25 to 30 minutes. So in less time, you can revise the entire thing. Not only that, you will also have the PDF copy available over here. So let's say we are talking about mergers and mutual funds. If you look at this one particular copy, in mutual funds, we have learned about NAV. What's the formula for NAV? Assets at realizable price minus liability at realizable price whole divided by number of units. Logic. So like that, every chapter's formula, this chapter's formula is hardly, put over here in a span of just 2 to 3 pages. You have mutual funds also, mergers also. So like that, in the day of the exam, you can revise the entire concept using this PDF in a short span of 1 hour. So do not delay, friends. Install the app. I will see you there.